off. Hello guys, I want to give you the 3D element preset for free, but first of all, I want you to share my video to other friends, like it and put it at 100k views, and put my channel to 10k subscribers, and I'll promise you to give you this preset for free in the description of my video. Thank you. Hello guys, today we're going to create a 3D text effect on After Effects. First of all, we have to create our text layer. We type it. After typing our text layer, we have to create a new solid layer. We have to put the color in black and click on OK. After creating our black solid layer, we have to put the effect element 3D. Then we have to click on custom layers and custom text and mask, and on the path layer 1 we have to click on text 2, and after we have to turn our text layer off and click on scene setup. Now we have our scene setup open. Now we have our scene setup open. We have to click on extrude to display the text layer. We have our text layer, and we have to click on presets and bevels and click on physical, and click on the first one and deactivate it, and click on extrude and click on cushion and put it on extrusion model. After, we have to display hidden element and go to scene materials, and for the shiny light we have to choose bevel 1, and for the shiny we have to choose chrome, and for chrome we have to choose shiny. Now we have our text layer. We have to click on chrome to change some settings. We have to click on basic setting and change the color to black and click on OK, and the reflectivity we have to change the color depending on our favorite color. I choose blue. Okay, now we are going to change to just some setting in the bevel part. For this we have to put the extrude to 1.07, the expand edges to 0.38, and bevel size we have to put it to 0.5, the bevel depth to 4.84, the bevel segment to 3, the bevel curve to 0, and the Z offset we have to leave it to 0. And for the chrome part, we have to adjust the settings. We have to change the extrude to 1.4 and expand edges to minus 0.28, and the bevel size to 0.51, the bevel depth to 0.40, the bevel segment have to put it to 2, and the bevel curve to 1, and the Z offset we have to put it to 0, and click this. For the shiny part we have to adjust the settings. We have to put the extrude to 0.74, the expand edges to 0.66, the bevel size we have to put it to 0.47, excuse me, and the bevel depth we have to put it to 1.98, and the bevel segment to 3, we have to leave it to 3, and the bevel curve we have to leave it to 1, and the Z offset we have to put it to 0.29. Now we are done with our effects. You can change the environment. To change it, you can click on environment and just choose your favorite environment. Just I don't want to change my environment. I click on OK, and now we're done with our text effect. Now we're going to animate it. We're going to click on OK. Now we have our text, and we're going to click on group 1 and particle replicator and decrease the position Z to increase the text scale. We have to leave it like this, and click on particle look and click on multi object and click on enable multi object. We're going to the rotation part and click on Y rotation or A, and displace to activate the keyframe. Just copy my settings to animate this. We have to put the Y rotation to -10 and the rotation or A to 168 and the displace to 0.8, and just next it to some frames and just adjust the settings. We're gonna change the Y rotation to 15 and the rotation or A to 62 and the displace to 0.08. Now we're done with our animation. You can click on your keyframes and go click on right click on keyframe assistant and click on easy ease to make a smoother animation. Just you can adjust it depending on your speed, depending on the speed that you want to have. So this is the animation we create today, and if you enjoyed the video, click on subscribe and put this video to 100k views, and I'll give you the preset element. Guys, I want you to make a challenge. Just click on this video and like it, share it to 10 friends, and comment that you shared it, and subscribe to my channel. And when this video is at 100k views, and I'll give you, I promise you to give you the 3D element preset for free. Thank you guys for your support.